Today I'm on the Lightning Dollar Link. We've got 3 machines. I'm going to put $20 in each machine. Minimum bet either 50 cents or $1. If we double up our money, we're cashing out. Let's see how this goes. We've got $20 in. Minimum bet is 50 cents on this guy. We'll start with $1. So these are wild. We need 3 of those, or we need 6 of those. We need 6 of those, 3 of those. 2 more. Ooh, come on. Ooh. We got blocked. We needed 1 more. 2 more. Ooh, we got blocked. 2 more. Okay, let's do some 50 cents. 1 more. Ooh. Two more. Yes. Okay, big money. Big money. Let's go. Nice. Nice. Keep them coming. You can get a double mini, double minor, triple mini, triple minor. Nice. Okay, last spin. Save it. Still pretty decent. $13.50. So the mini on this is $10, minor's $50, major is $536.27, and grand is $16,461. Let's keep it going. Ooh, see, there's a double mini. Double mini. You can also get triple. Let's get those 3 cars. 2 more. Ooh. Should we keep playing this or should we go to OK Con? Let's switch to Denom. Let's try the 2-cent Denom. $1 bet. 2 more. Oh. 70 cents. 2 more. Nothing happening on the 2 cents. Come on, 2 cents. 78 cents. Ooh. $1.10. Got those free games. Come on. Bam. Let's get a bonus and a bonus. Nothing. Points. Cups, sorry. Cups. Cups. Trophies. At least you get 8 games on this. Cups, trophies. Do it. No banner though.
At least now you're yelling trophies and not balls.
Trophies.
Pretty decent line wins.
Yeah. Two more games. Cups. Last spin. Trophies. Okay, we'll play down to 20. So then we're not down any monies. Not bad on 2-cent denom. Dang. Oh, 2 more.
2 more.
Do it.
Yes.
Nice. All right, we got that hold and spin. Let's double up our money here. Give us some words. Give us a minor, please. Minor. Ooh, last spin. Something. Saved by the bell. Oh, that mini keeps popping up. Nice. Big money. Nice. Keep them coming. Well, we get the grand.
How about a mini?
I want the grand. Okay, last spin. Can we save it? Nope. That's pretty good. We doubled up our money. Nice. Okay, we doubled up our money. So we'll go to 40.
Couple backup spins.
Couple backup spins. Always do your backup spins. Oh, dang, that would have been good. Almost got another bonus.
I thought it was going to drop in there.
Same. Okay, last spin. Again. Okay, so we doubled up our money. Let's cash out and go to the next one. All right, now we are on the Lightning Dollar Link Chica Bonita. I got $20 in. Minimum bet is 50 cents. See if we can double up our money here. So she's wild. We need 6 coins. And we need 3 of these guys.
Got tomatoes.
Yeah. Oh, one more. Oh,
Flaming pepper.
tamales. Hot pepper. What are they? Hot peppers, tamales. 2 more. Let's switch to the 2-cent, $1. One more. Ooh, rip off. It throws me off because those have the same background. We need 6 coins. Oh, one more. Yes. Oh, 4. Oh, damn. Let's go. So we got 8 free games.
Oh man, that was $7.50 on that.
7.
Forget-
Oh, 15 because it's times 2.
I see.
2 more.
Yeah.
Oh, bonus in a bonus. Let's go, baby. Big money.
Penny's
So-
at 20 on this one.
I think this one you can't get the double and the triple of the minor and mini though.
I don't know.
We're on the 2-cent denom, so everything's times 2. So this is $2, $1. Come on. Nice.
Oh no, triple mini was in there.
Oh, it was? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 250. Oh yeah. Okay, we can get the double and triple. All right, last spin. Save it. Oh, the triple mini was right there.
I know.
So that's $4. Nice. Another $4. Come on, Grand. You know you want to. Excuse me? Hello?
Is anybody there?
No, Wendy's home. Kapow.
No.
Last chance. Can we do it? That's still pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
We definitely doubled up our money. Almost. Plus, we're still on free games, right? We still have 7 games. Again. Balls. Coins.
Now you can yell that.
Well, they're coins. Coin. Oh. We got 3 more spins. Oh, coins. Oh, well, she's wild at least. Two more games. All right, last spin. Coins. Do it. Oh. 44. Look at that. We almost tripled up our money.
Dang good right there.
Okay, let's switch to. Let's do a couple backup spins to 50
Yeah.
on the 50-cent denom. Always do your backup spins because you just never know. Ooh, a $5 one. Oh, too bad that didn't line up. Oh, nice. 480. Ooh, we're almost at 60. Oh, okay, let's cash out. We're at 60.
Next machine.
All right, and our final lightning link of the series is the Corrida de Toros. We got $20 in. So we need 3 of these. Three of those guys, and then 6 of the coins that haven't showed up. There we go, 6 of those. One more. Ooh. So we need 6 of those, 3 of these guys. 3 more. Oh, my card.
What are you calling those?
What?
Flags? Capes?
I'm not sure what they are. Okay, we're on the 2-cent denom.
Other machines really like the 2 cent.
Yeah,
Let's see whether this
2-cent denom. We'll just do a couple here and see if we get anything. Oh, the triple minor was in that one. That's $300. Two more. Whole lot of nothing so far.
Yeah, this one seems colder than the other two.
Okay, let's switch back to 1 cent minimum, 50 cents. Those guys are wild. $1.36. One more, do it, one more. Oh, I was there. You were right there. You were right there. Two more. 75 cents. 30 cents. Come on, give us something. Give us something on this guy. All the other machines treated us nicely. 25 cents. I think this machine's still waking up. Two more. It's not even been close. Like, we've had 4 and like 2, but not 5. Nothing.
Well, the chica bonita was the best one.
Yep. Two more.
This one is ice cold.
Nope. Come on, do it. One more. Ooh. Okay. Oh, do it. Yes.
Oh, there you
Finally. That's pretty good to get 3 out of 3 bonuses.
go.
That's why you never underestimate $20 and a tiny bonus. So we put $20 in each machine and we've got a bonus on every single one. Big money. Or no money. Come on, something. One of you. Let's get some words. Mini, minor, major, something. Keep them rolling. Okay, last spin. Let's save it. Save it. $10.50. Well, we got some more ammo. Let's get the other bonus. We got some wild. Oh, we need 3. 3 of you, please. Please, sir. Oh, come on. Stop giving us 2. We want 3. We got some wilds. Oh, 2 more. Rude. 2 more. This guy's tough. 60 cents. Three more. Ooh, that would have been nice, a $5 one. Two again. Sir, please stop giving us 2. Give us 3. Thank you.
Not very friendly.
No. Oh, oh, come on. Again? How rude. This guy's not as nice as the other 2 machines. Ooh, a double mini. That would have been $21 there. Okay, we've got 2 spins left. Last spin. Can we save it? Oh. Oh, we have 1 more spin left now. Come on, do it.
Again.
All right, press the bolt. Get that bonus.
That'd be cool. Oh, go.
Oh my god, that would have been hilarious. Okay, so we put 60, 20, 40, 60. We're walking away with 100. So we're up.
101?
Yeah, 101. So we put $60 in free Lightning Link machines, walking away with $101. So we're up $41.